Ooh, there we go. I don't know how charged it is. Just hit it with one of these real quick. Boom. So I finally got this off. Not off, but loose. You're joking. Okay, never mind, we're good. Just whack it. Ouch. Nothing really wants to come off this morning. Oh. Got it. Boop. Pull out the torque wrench, because you've got to torque everything to spec. Can't just do things up as tight as you want them. I forget I don't need to talk as loud because I have a mic on me now. So I can actually talk like this and you can still hear me perfectly fine. It'd be nice if this bolt stopped moving though. Force it in. Oh, mother trucker. Can probably hear the cricket in the... Louis. Louis, do you have anything to say? No. Bro just tried to eat it, dude. Brother. Can't believe that, dude. That is unacceptable. The big man has just tried to eat you. He's tried to eat my bloody microphone. Like, obviously, mate. Look at this dog. What is bruv doing? 4. Donk. I think these are 3mm. 3mm. Right. Well, just been a bit busy. It's been a long time since the, what was I doing? Taking that off, I think. Yeah, anyway. Oh, bloody rag is useless. Right. Put that on there. I'll put a photo in. Put that there. But you can, like, you might be able to see it. There's a wheel. I'll put a photo. But yeah, I don't know why, but it is for some reason leaking, which is not ideal. So I'm going to clean it with some brake cleaner, put it on, and see if it holds. Yeah, it's about all I got really. And if it does hold, I'll cut it, make it shorter, make it the right length, and we'll go from there. Awesome. Rightio. That's on there now. Better listen to that. Now it's just the problem of what is this cable doing? That is just extraordinary. But do feel good. I'm not going to do that one. It's a bad idea. Got no pads. I mean, no rotor. No rotor. Don't got a rotor. But yeah. Fun and games. Fun and games. Fun and games. I need a little rubber O-ring. I'll grab one from work tomorrow. I can do other stuff though. Maybe. Might just wait and see what I can do about these brakes. I don't think I'll get anything done, but it was leaking oil, so maybe they replaced them, but I doubt it. They don't feel horrible anyway, so yeah, might just leave it. Cut it. Make it the right size. I've got my confuddlement over here of bloody hoses. Hope that's not leaking anyway. Yeah, I'll keep it updated. I don't know what's going to happen. So yeah, there's no point trying to route the back one through the frame if I'm going to have to take it out anyway. So I shall leave it, and we'll get back to it soon. Cheers. Get a quick warm-up lap. Wait, this bike is so short. I cannot keep on rolling. Holy heckers, dude. That was, bloody hell. That was sketchy. Oh, manual's alright. Mate, my legs are toast. Unbelievable. Yeah, we're gonna get a quick follow lap here. See if I can catch him. See if I can manual that. Oh, you good? I don't know what happened there. Oh, that was clappers. Holy. Ow. I didn't see what he did. I just saw him go off the berm. Wow. Oh boy. Just tires you out, this does. Oh. Oh, nearly went off. Oh. That was some sketchy manoeuvre, that. But Don't know.
There might be something. No. I thought you had one of kind of these bikes where they have like teeth.
No.
Don't worry that much. You go first.
Righto. Oh. Dude, it is not ideal. Loose headset is not the play. Ah. Oh. Loose freaking headset.
Looks like you're missing the like on this side.
Where?
On the wheel.
Here?
Not there. There.
Nah, nothing goes there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Just checking.
all good. Guy's got a gyro. The hell? I got a loose headset. The helly? Right. That is a stinker.